Hello traders, what's going on guys? Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you are doing amazing. This is a recorded version of first class today. Unfortunately, during the live I was not able to record the section because of issues of my internet connection and also the recording software I was using, so I apologize for that. But this recording is to capture everything that we discussed in the live. Okay, so this is actually the first video of the HSM mentorship 2026, and I'm going to be your host. I'm going to be your anchor, and my name is Henry Uchendo, and you can call me Henry Harmonics. Okay, so this mentorship is going to be a practical oriented mentorship. Okay, so we'll focus on what you need to know to be able to be profitable. Okay, trading the concepts you're going to learn. If there's anything that you don't need, I'm not going to teach you. So we are going to be holding this section in the week on the weekend, Fridays and Saturdays, and then sometimes Sundays if we cannot be able to hold it on Friday. So it's going to run 2 days in a week. Okay, and during the live you will be taught on the concepts based on what we're going to discuss, and after the live section you go out there and then you do your assignments, you practicalize what I have taught you. Then also during the live you have the opportunity to ask questions. Okay, so and we also have a WhatsApp group where we're going to post information, and if you have questions also you can as well ask using the WhatsApp group, so that other members can also see your questions and also learn from it. And I promise you that you're going to learn a lot during this mentorship. Okay, so there's going to be a kind of a research work for students, for traders who are undergoing this mentorship, and for any section that we discuss, and there's actually a reason for you to go for further research, I will point you where you should look for video or where you should look for the guide to be able to learn more on the concept that was discussed. Okay, so also I'll try as much as possible to record every section so that you can as well watch the recording and then go back and do your homework, go back and then replicate what has been taught, and then to be able to solidify what the concept that has been taught. And if there's anything I explain that is still confusing, that you do not understand, always ask question, okay? And then I also encourage you guys that if you are been trading for a very long time and other concepts, I encourage you to stop trading for now and then go through the mentorship. Okay, go through the mentorship. Whatever that will teach you, you will learn it and then you begin to apply them. Okay, so go through the mentorship, stop trading for now, follow the mentorship. A time will come where we'll start trading. Okay, for now we just have to run through what we are going to discuss in the mentorship. First off, we are going to set up our TradingView platform. TradingView is a platform that helps us to analyze the market. Remember, what we are doing is we are trying to use our strategy to predict the movement of price while making money from it. And if we can do it consistently over time, we become profitable. So the strategy that you're going to learn is a strategy that has been proven to work over the decade. Okay, I learned it myself and it has been very profitable, and I'm also going to impart the same knowledge to you. And it's a strategy that you can learn, and then it will give you time to attend to other areas of your life. It will give you freedom to spend time with your family. It will give you time to attend to other business. If you are a 9-to-5er, it will also give you time to be able to do your job while trading. So it's a strategy that will give you time to be able to do other things. Okay, So you're also going to learn how to set up your TradingView account, and then from there you will learn the concept of key levels, the where price reacts. That's where we will teach you about the movement of price. We learn about support and resistance. We learn about order block, fair value gap, and key levels that are areas of key levels. And then from there we'll go over to learning about Fibonacci retracement, extensions, and projections. So Fibonacci is a tool that helps us to measure the harmonic patterns. Okay, so once you have mastered Fibonacci, we'll now move into harmonic patterns, formations, and harmonic patterns. Okay, you learn about the bats, the gatly, the butterfly, the crab, the shark, the cipher, the A equals to CD patterns. Okay, these are the harmonic patterns that we are going to teach you. We'll teach you both the bearish and the bullish harmonic patterns. Okay, so once you are done with that, we'll now enter into risk management, how to calculate your position size, how to calculate how much risk you should take on a particular trade based on your account size. Okay, once you are done with that, we'll now go over to brokers, the types of broker you should open accounts with. The same way you open account with TradingView that help us analyze market, you're also going to open accounts with a recommended brokers that will be able to place your trade. So I'll give you my recommendations, and I'll also give you some recommended brokers that you can open account with, that you can trade with. Okay, so once you finish opening up your broker account, you set up your MT5, then you can now start doing what? Taking trade. Okay, you can start off with a small account. You can start off with demo trading, the strategy that you have been taught. From there we'll enter into trading psychology, because sometimes it's not all about the strategy, it's also about the discipline, it's about the emotions, it's about the impulsive decisions that we make. So I'll give you my the way I approach the market, the things that have helped me to handle some areas of my psychology when I'm on a trade. Okay, so I'll teach you guys learn about the 14 stages of investor emotions, the emotions that play out on the chart whenever you are trading. Okay, and also I'll encourage you during the live section, or if you're watching the recording, make sure you have a kind of a jotter or a kind of a notepad where you jot down the things we are talking about. So I always encourage students to always jot down things, keep notes for yourself, and then review your notes, and then that is how you learn. Okay, so always jot things down, take screenshots, do the assignment, and then I'll also let you guys understand how you can be able to submit your assignment for review, because I'm very much interested in the assignment. I'm very much interested in the assignment. Make sure you do your assignment, it's very important. Okay, so that is how we're going to go about it. After student psychology, then we'll go over to student reports or student coursework. Okay, where you pick about 4 or 5 currency pairs or assets of your choice, and then you do your analysis, you pick up harmonic patterns setups, and then you now take the trade, and then you send us reports of how you analyze the market, how you're able to spot the harmonic patterns, and then how you're able to identify them. Okay, and then from there we'll now expose you guys to the harmonic patterns indicators that we have and how to use them. Okay, so we'll also have indicators that help us to identify these patterns. So we'll teach you how to use the indicators both for MT5 and also for TradingView, so you'll be able to learn how to use the indicators. Okay, so and then from there we'll teach you guys another strategy which we call the candle range liquidity strategy. Okay, candle range liquidity strategy, that is still a very good strategy that you can use to make. One good thing about the strategy is that it gives you higher profit with slim risk. Okay, so you'll be able to use a very tight stop loss while maximizing profits. Okay, and it's a very good strategy. I've been studying it for over a year now, and I'm pleased to share it with you guys. Okay, so there's a lot to learn and there's a lot to unlearn. So during this process, I will suggest that you be able to follow up with whatever we are doing, and if at any point in time you encounter any problem at all, please, my DM is open. You can also ask questions on the WhatsApp group, I'm trying to see how to create maybe a WhatsApp group, or maybe trying to see the best place for us to do it. I want somewhere that can be easily accessible to everyone. I don't want to start moving you guys to a different platform that it will take you time for you to, come online for you to ask questions. No, that is not what I want. I want a platform that's easily accessible to everyone. You can ask questions and you'll get answers. Okay, right. So I want to make sure that each section we are discussing has a separate will I say channel, or a separate group for it. For instance, if we're talking about TradingView platform, how to set it up, I'll kind of create a group for it, so that if you have questions on TradingView platform on how to set up your TradingView, you can now ask questions on that particular group, on that particular channel, so that maybe if there's any need for you to review things on TradingView, you can specifically go to that particular channel and then look at the questions that have been asked, or look at the things that have been done on that particular topic, and it will be easier for us to manage things effectively, instead of flooding the chart with several things. Okay, so each of the sections will have a separate group for it, so that if you have questions, you can as well. I'm going to do that on Telegram. Yeah, I'm going to do that on Telegram. So on Telegram, there's going to be a section. There's going to be a kind of a section for each of the topic we are discussing. So if you have questions on TradingView, you go to the TradingView section to ask your questions. If you have questions on key levels, you go to key level sections to ask your questions, so that everybody will. There's going to be a section for each of the topic we are discussing. So it will help us to be able to keep things organized. Okay, so to wrap up this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your TradingView account. So after watching this video, make sure that your TradingView looks exactly like mine. So make sure that your TradingView looks exactly like mine. Very, very important that you do that. Follow whatever we are discussing. That is how you are going to learn. Okay, so let's start off. Now, to open a TradingView account, you go to TradingView.com. First of all, the recommended browser that we'll be using, is brave.com. okay, so Brave browser, just type Brave, BRAVE browser, and download it on your laptop. Okay, so you click on Brave browser, download. Okay, depending on the machine you're using, if you're using Windows, if you're using Linux, if you're using Mac OS, you download it and then you install Brave browser. Okay, so that is a recommended browser we are using. Why are we using Brave browser? Because TradingView, another platform we use, that's kind of pop-up ads, and these pop-up ads sometimes can be distracting. So with the use of Brave browser, you can be able to hide pop-up ads. So I'm going to copy the link and then paste it for you guys. I'm also going to give you guys access to the Telegram, where we're going to be, like I said before, I want to make sure that everything is well organized. Okay, if it's a section for download, you go there and then you'll be able to. I want to use a platform that is easily accessible to everybody. I don't want to use a platform that it will be hard for you to ask questions, or hard for you to log in and come online. So I wanted to use maybe I will see if it's possible. I can still use WhatsApp. I'll see if it's possible. I'll use WhatsApp and listen, but I'm gonna make sure that everything is well organized. Okay, so we'll experiment on that. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, then we'll move to Telegram. Okay, so that is the browser we're going to be using, Brave browser. Okay, so now once you download that, install a Brave browser, then go to TradingView.com. okay, first of all, it's already logged in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Ignition browser, so that it will give me access to TradingView.com. Okay, TradingView.com. So you open it up. If you are trading deriv, you go to TradingView.deriv or deriv.tradingview.com, I think. Yeah, so you go to charts. No, charts. The link has been pasted for you guys, by the way. Charts.deriv.com. So deriv is another platform that helps us to trade synthetics. Okay, so for those that trade synthetics, you go to charts.deriv.com slash deriv. Okay, so now we have this one open up, and then we'll have this one also loading up. So for this particular one, which is for deriv, you don't need to create accounts. Okay, but for TradingView, you have to create an account. I'll repeat, for charts on deriv, you don't need to create account. So this is the link you go here, and this is the link you go for TradingView. Now this one is for synthetic pair, while this one is for forex, cryptocurrency, for stocks. The indices is for deriv, is for TradingView, while this deriv is for synthetics. Okay, so now let's start out with deriv. So what you need to now do is simple. For the deriv, if you've installed your Brave browser, you make sure that your your tabs are open up here. You can see that I have a lot of tabs here. These are the tabs I have. So what you do is that for this particular deriv, you go over here on that link, and then you hold it, and then you drag it to the bookmark. You see that it has added to my bookmark, so that next time I come, I'll just click here. I'll just click on that bookmark, it will open. As simple as that. Make sure you're following with whatever you're doing. Make sure you're following and understanding everything, please. Okay, now for TradingView, you click on get started. Okay, click on get started. That is what you click on get started, and then you click on sign up. If you have an account, you click on sign in. If you don't have an account, you click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, then you click on continue with email, or you select email depending on the one you want to select. Okay, so let me see if I can be able to use a temporary email to, let me refresh again. I want to see if I can use a temporary email to set up account and show you guys how to do it step by step. Okay, because I've understood that it's not everyone here that has been trading for a long time, so I want to make sure that I carry everybody along, which is very important. So I want to make sure that even those who have been trading for a long time and those who have not been trading, they'll make sure that everybody is carried along. Okay, yeah, so I'm trying to see if I can set up the account. I want to get a temporary email and set up account for you guys. Okay, so give me email, good. So I'll just copy this email. First, you're not going to use this type of email. Use a real email. Use a email from either Yahoo email or Gmail. Use Gmail email. Don't use temporary email, because this one is just for a temporary. Use a real email, not this particular one, please. Okay, I'm just using this as an example. Okay, good. So for password, I'm gonna select a password. Just make sure that your password you are selecting is the one that you can easily remember. Okay, just make sure that the password is the one that you can easily remember. Okay, good. You have to wait for this to change to green. It said recommended is 12 character long. Okay, so I don't know this, so I will just copy this. These are random numbers. I'll copy it, make sure that I've saved my password. Save your password a place that you will not forget. Okay, make sure you save your password in the place that you will not forget. Okay, you can use a notepad to save your password. You can use email to save your password and your username. Make sure that you save it in a place that you cannot be able to forget. Okay, let's do that again. I think this is having issue, and I don't know why this is doing like this. Oh, okay, maybe because of this is on. So what I'm gonna do is to just click on brave shield, click on this brave shield, and then turn it off. Just turn it off for now. Turn it off for now. We're gonna on it, but not now. Just turn it off for now. So go back again. Let's do it again. Click on email, drop my password, then for email. So we are trying to set up our TradingView account. Very important. Okay. You may not necessarily follow this step. You can use Gmail. If you're using Gmail, it's easier, it's faster. You don't need to follow this step. Okay. So I have sent your this. So let me just look for the link. Okay. Okay, this is a verification email. Let me open it up. Okay. So click on it, copy link, and paste it here. So just copy the link and paste it on your browser. So we've created an account. Okay, so for now just copy this. There's nothing to do. So once you've opened an account, once you've logged in this way, almost there, finish creating your TradingView account, username, receive marketing. You don't need all of this, but you just click on I've read and accept, and then click on next. So that is it. So once you are here, you click on your profile. Just click on this profile, go to settings and billing. Go to settings and billing. All right, then you set up your social media handles. If you have a YouTube channel, which I encourage you to have, you put the link here, and then that is it. You change your profile picture, change your username, and that is it. Okay, so once you are here, click on products, then click on super chats. Please follow up with what we are discussing. Follow up with everything. Please make sure you are getting everything. Okay, once you click on products, click on super chat, you'll be presented with this window. So this is the window that we need. This is where we are going to be analyzing the market. Okay, so first off, go to this place. You will see watch list. Go to this place, you will see watch list. You drag this one down, just drag it down, and then remove everything, remove everything. If you have other watch lists here, remove everything. I'm going to show you guys once you're going to use. Remove everything. Okay, so go to this hamburger icon here under settings, remove change, remove last change percentage. Okay, and leave everything the way they are. So we're going to add some pairs into our watch list, and these are pairs that will be analyzing, that will be trading during this mentorship. Okay, so you have your currency pair cheat sheets. This is where it will come handy. So you go through that and then add all the pairs, and to do that you click on you will see all, you will see other sections here. You click on forex, and then if you are trading cryptocurrency, click on crypto. If you are trading indices, you click on it. So what you have to now do is to click on forex. Once you click on forex, you see all sources, filter it, and then you will select forex.com. okay, select forex.com. that is the data feed that we'll be using, forex.com. So you add euro USD. Euro USD is the current, is the pair between euro and US dollar. Okay, GDP USD, Great British pounds against the United States dollar. Okay, so if you want to learn more about currency pairs, you go to the HSM website. I will also recommend the section that discuss about currency pairs, which is actually the video day 2 under foundation, 14-day foundation course. So that is video day 2, currency pairs. If you want to learn about currency pairs, please go and watch that video. You will understand more about currency pairs. Okay, like I said, this is a mentorship, so I'm gonna guide you on the things you need. So if there's anything I'll ask you to reference, I'll send the video to you. You go and watch it, and then you understand everything very well. And if you need more explanation, I can provide explanation. So I'm only guiding you on the things you need. Okay, so that is that. If you need more explanation on currency pairs, watch that video. Okay, So you add all these pairs. I think on a free account on TradingView you can add about 20 pairs or 16. You can add about 16 or 20 pairs. Okay, so you add AUD JPY, Euro GDP, CAD JPY, Euro AUD, GDP CAD. Okay, you add AUD CAD, Euro CAD, GDP NZD. Just add the ones you can be able to add. Okay, you are adding major pairs and cross. Major pairs and cross. We are not trading exotic pairs. We are not trading exotic pairs. Okay, so if you want to add, for instance, if you want to add asset like gold, okay, gold is SAU USD, that is gold. And I'm not going to be introducing you guys to all these pairs for now, but then I'll still include it here for those of you that have been trading for a long time. So if you type on SAU USD, you will see the one from forex.com. You select it, okay, and then let's say BTC USD, that is for Bitcoin. You select Coinbase, use Coinbase, and then ETH USD is Ethereum. Okay, you trade Ethereum, and then you select the one from Coinbase also. So you've populated your watch list. So these are your watch list now. Okay, so we're going to remove this last. We don't need all this information, so we'll just remove it. So this is how your watch list is. So you just drag it a little bit like this. Good. So you've populated your watch list, and then you can rename it. You can change it. I don't know. Yeah, you can rename it to, let's say, HSM watch list or something like that. Okay. Now, if you already have a watch list, I don't think you can be able to add another watch list if you're on a free account. But if you're using a premium account, you can add more than one watch list. Okay, so we are done with watch list. Now, what you're now going to do is that you drag the link to your bookmark. Okay, so it has been bookmarked now. So you can even change the name. You can edit it and then change this name. You can change it to TradingView, something like that. Maybe TradingView HSM watchlist. Okay, so there is no need to be in a rush. You have about 7-8 days to do this assignment, because after this weekend, it is next weekend that we're going to meet. So you have enough time to watch this video to understand it and set up your TradingView the way it's supposed to be. Okay, now once you've done that, you click on any of the assets here. Just click on Euro USD. So this is Euro USD right now. So what you're gonna do is, you see this volume here, this is what we call indicator. We don't need this volume indicator. Now, indicator is what helps us to it's a piece of software that helps to predict or show the aspect of price movement. Okay, so it can help us to show areas of price reaction, areas of price rejection, areas of the current, the current level of price, or the current value of price at the point in time. So this is a piece of software that helps us to predict the price movement. Okay, so we call it indicator. So, and to get that indicators, you go over to indicators here. You'll be able to see so many indicators. We're going to talk about indicators that we'll use for now, but for now we don't need this indicator, so just remove it. So that is it. Okay, now let's set up our window. So right click. Once you right click on settings. Okay, the symbols, if you click on body, change the body to this one here. If you change this, you see it has changed. Okay, it has changed. Let me just make sure that okay. And then for the body, leave it the way it is. Then for borders, make it black. Both of them make it black. And then for wicks, make it black, and then make it black. Okay, like I said, if you want to understand more about candlestick, go and watch that video under the foundation course. Watch the video currency pairs. Make sure you watch that video currency pairs to understand more about currency pairs. I won't be explaining that in this video, but if you have questions asking about currency pairs, I will explain to you. But if you want to know more about currency pairs, make sure that you watch that video. Now, for time zone, depending on the time, depending on the country or the location you are. So I'm in Nigeria, I'm going to use UTC +1 Lagos. Okay, that's what I'm going to use since I'm in Nigeria. Okay, now we'll now go to status line. Okay, for status line, that is what controls everything here. So we leave logo, we leave title, chart value, we don't need it, bar change, we don't need it. Okay, that is that. Now that's under status line. Under scales, make sure that your countdown to bar close is turned on. Make sure it's turned on so that you'll be able to know the number of hours or minutes it takes for a candle to close. Very important. So day of the week, okay, change it to 12 hours. Change it to 12 hours. Very important. Change it to 12 hours. Okay. And then go to canvas. Under canvas, background, leave it solid. Okay. And color, leave it white. Grid, there's grid line here. We don't need that grid line, so remove it. Change it to none. And that is it. Change it to none. And then go to trading. Once you go to trading, buy and sell button, we don't need it. We'll remove it here. We don't need any distraction like that, so you remove that buy and sell button, and that is all. Okay, alert, leave it the way it is. Events, leave it. Just remove this economic event. We don't need this event for now. Okay, so that is it. And then click on OK. Follow everything I'm doing. Click on OK. Then go back again. Click on settings. Then you see this place called templates. Okay, you save it. Save as template. So you name it HSM TradingView template, TV template, temp is short form or template. Okay, you can name it anything. Then click on save. Click on save. So make sure that you bookmark this page so that if you come, this is what, if I click now, if I click here now, let's do it now. I'm rounding up in this section, so I'm rounding up. So click on it. Okay. Okay, this is strange for me. Let me just click this one and see. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, do you know what, remove this bookmark, remove this one, and let's save this again. Good, let's save this one again. Let me open it up again. This is kind of strange because it's supposed to save the recent bookmark. Okay, good. Okay, saving it. Let me just remove this again. Sometimes this could be messy. Just at least you've learned how to remove it. It's as simple as that. Go to trading, remove this buy and sell, and then save it again. Okay, make sure you have saved it. Click on this save watches to save it. Let's do that again. I didn't save the watch list, that is why it was still showing. Okay, so I've saved that. Then this long text over there, go to status line, remove chart values, remove bar close, and then click OK. Come back and save your watch list. Okay, save it and then refresh again. Beautiful. So this is how our window on TradingView platform should be looking at. Okay, so if you are trading deriv, the same thing you're going to do here. You come over here, go to settings, just right click, go to settings. I want to do both together. Then this one, change it to this, leave it the way it is, then borders, make it black. This one, make it black. Week, make it black. This one, make it black. I love this. This is how it's supposed to be. Status line, remove open market. You don't need all of these things. This is okay. Canvas, solid, grid lines, make it known, and status line, make sure you turn on countdown to bar close. Very important. Okay, now for synthetics run 247. So once you are done, click on save. Okay, if you click on save, you look at the name of the asset. This is volatility 25 index, so you can save it as vol 25 or v25 index. Just save it as v25 index. Okay, click on save. Now it has been saved. Click on open layout. You will not see your layout open here. Okay, so and then make sure that you have also saved the book. You have also bookmarked this page. Very important. Make sure you bookmark this page. Now if you want to add more pair to your watch list, not really to your watch list, you don't really have anything like watch list on this particular one, but if you want to save more layouts, of synthetic sphere, you click on this place, click on here. just click inside here, then backspace to remove the one there, then go to derived, then you will now select the ones you want to save. For instance, if you want to save V10 index, you open it up in this way. So what you will now do is you click on this side, make a copy, click on make a copy, and then you now save V10 1s. Okay, you save it. So this is how you're going to go about all the right pairs you are going to be trading. Okay, if it's V100 1s, you also select it, and then you go to this place, also make a copy. So this is how you, if you now want to see all the whole pairs, you go to open layout, you will now see all of them here. If you want to highlight or favorite them, you tap on this place, it will be favorited for you. As simple as that. Okay, so now what we now need to now do is to add tools that we'll be using to our window. Okay, so you start from the first one here. Now I like to change to arrow sometimes. You see this arrow, I like to change to arrow sometimes. Okay, you click on this star icon to favorite it sometimes, but I don't really need that for this one. Then you go to the next one. Under trend line, select trend line, and then select trend line, select a vertical line. We don't need vertical line. Select horizontal ray, select horizontal line. Okay, follow what I'm doing, watch the video, and then do it yourself. You have a lot of time to do this, there's no need to rush. Go to the next one, select Fibonacci retracement, select Fibonacci base fib extension, select a trend base fib extension, select it. Okay, and then go to the next one, select SABCD pattern, select it, and then yeah, that's all. We are not going to be using the cipher pattern and all that. This SABCD pattern is enough for us. Okay, go to the next one, select the long position 2, select the short position 2, and yeah, that's it. Go to the next one, arrow. We might need this one for now, but for now just leave it. Then select the rectangle 2, favorite it, it should be added here. Then the part 2, select it also. Yeah, that's all for now. Then this one, select the text 2 and the call out 2. So these are the things you're going to select. So this is your favorited tools that you'll be needing. You can put them down here, or you can put them up here, anywhere that is okay for you. You can put them. Okay, so once you are done, make sure that your watch list is saved. You will see save, click on save to save it. Okay, once you are done, you will take a screenshot, click on copy image, and then send the screenshot to my email. I'm going to drop my email on the platform. Okay, you will now send it to me. For instance, let me just show you how to do your assignments now, very important. Let me open up my email. I want to make sure that you guys are following up with what we are doing here. This is one of my emails. Okay, so you open up your email. Then you click on compose. Okay, so if you click on compose, I'm going to give you guys two options. It's either you send it to my email, or you drop it on the TradingView section of the group, or you drop it on the HSM mentorship section. So I want to see your assignment. Make sure that you are following up. Okay, Break capital. This is the email. Subject is TradingView platform. Okay, and then you paste. So this is what I want to see. You paste it for me in this one. Okay, then you click on send. So that is it. Or you can copy it. And then you paste it on the WhatsApp. You will now save it on your, or you can just download it anyway. You can download it. Once you download it, and then you can send it to me, send it to our WhatsApp group. So I want to see I want to make sure that you are following, you've done the assignment in this manner. Now the same thing with the reef. Okay, for your, and also you can even adjust. You can adjust any of this. You can move this one to this place. You can move this one to this place. you can move this one to this place, so you can adjust any of them. I'm going to be explaining each of them during the time we'll be using them. Okay, for daily, the same thing. You select your trend line, you select your horizontal line, your horizontal ray, and then you come over here, select your Fibonacci retracement, Fib extension, and then under this place select your SABCD tool, and just follow up with what you are doing: long position 2, short position 2, and yeah, so that's basically it. The rectangular and then part 2. So that's all, and then call out and text. So the same thing here. Make sure you have saved. Just click on save to save it. Okay, as you have saved it for this particular delete pair, if you click on layout, another one, the same thing here also, you can see the same thing. Okay, so that is just how to set up your TradingView. In our next class, we'll be talking about key levels, and then we'll talk about the components of key levels: support, resistance, order block, fair value gap, and then I will show you guys where to look at for the key levels and how to mark out your key levels. You go and do the same assignments. Okay, so this will be all for this video. If you have questions specifically for this particular aspect of the video we've discussed, please, my DM is open, or you better still, don't even DM me, send it on the platform. Ask the questions. Oh, please, this is the issue I'm having, trying to set up my account, I'm not getting this right. Drop the question, we'll be there to assist you. So this will be all for now, guys, and if you have questions, please let me know. So have a wonderful trading opportunity out there, and then enjoy the rest of your day, and then bye for now. See you guys in the next section.